So these are the Movo Wireless Lavalier System. It comes with 2 microphones and a receiver. This goes on camera or into your smartphone. You're hearing the quality straight from here right now. I'm listening to it as you are. You can monitor from the transmitter on it, so that's really good. It comes with your mic cables in case you don't want to hold this or clip it to your shirt. You can connect this, boom, right on the top. It has a little foam wind stopper, popper stopper on here too. Has your little clips. It also has USB-C charging cables, which I thought was pretty nice too. I love things that charge USB-C. So on the mic here itself, it has your power on and power off button. It has your volume up and down, and these things come already synced, so you don't have to worry about syncing them up wireless. They're already set up, ready to go. You have your mic in and your receiver mic right here. Nice little clip on the back. I like the square design. So on here, it has a little display. It tells you your battery, tells you your mic volume and the channel it's on. We can bring the volume up and down. Right now we're bringing it down, 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 down. It's getting lower, and we could bring it up and get it nice and high. But you could set it internally on your camera or on your smartphone, however you want to do it. But I really, really love the design on this. This thing looks good, feels good. I love that you can group these things also. So if you have multiple, you want to group them to like group A, B, C, whatever, have certain mics on its own group. That's also possible. I love that. So this has 4 hours runtime on it and 6 hours on the receiver. Pretty well if you're doing interviews or vlog stuff. And these things can operate up to 50 meters away without any obstacles, like not through walls or anything, but in an open space. If you're outside or anything, 50 meters away, easily. Also, as far as I can tell, I'm not getting any distortion on it. I'm monitoring the levels in the camera right there. That's what I'm looking at. So looks good, sounds good, feels good. I love the design. Love the compact. I love that it comes with all the cables that you need. These are the Movo Lingo-Duo wireless lavalier microphones. These things right here, pretty damn awesome.